Welcome to Gem Lightbox. Welcome to the Gem Lightbox family. At Picup Media, we have worked with over 2,000 jewelers worldwide. And one of the biggest challenges that our jewelers faced was that capturing studio quality jewelry images and videos was very difficult. That's when our team went to work to create the Gem Lightbox, the world's first smartphone jewelry lightbox that lets anyone capture studio quality jewelry images and videos with nothing more than a smartphone.
Lightbox, it's really easy to use. You can just use your mobile phone. You don't really need like a whole professional camera to work with it. So you just put the item inside, your jewelry inside, and you snap it, and then you can take really great colors, especially for the gemstones, because usually when you take photos in just like a normal light box, the colors will not be that accurate. But when I use Gem Lightbox, I can really say that the colors are more true in color. So especially when you use video, the colors stand out. So yeah, Gem Lightbox.
To capture videos, simply place your jewelry inside the Gem Lightbox. Tap to focus, adjust the brightness, and lastly, click to capture. We also have the option to create a 90-degree video where the turntable will stop at 90 degrees. This is usually used for gemstones and certain engagement rings.